Before you spend $50,000 on a matchmaker, watch this. Here's the problem. A matchmaker talks to you for maybe an hour. You've spent your entire life being you. No one is ever going to understand your personality, chemistry, values, humor, quirks, deal breaker, as well as you do. Then they go search Instagram, dating apps, and LinkedIn using all of the same tools you already have. Today, I'd rather use AI and automation. Build your own matchmaking funnel. Have AI help identify potential matches. Send personalized outreach. Qualify responses. Let you decide who deserves your time. Technology didn't replace dating. It gave you the opportunity to become your own best matchmaker. If I were building a global matchmaking funnel today, I'd think of it as a sales funnel. Not because you're selling yourself, but because you're systematically finding compatible people. Here's the stack I'd use. 1, find the right people using Clay. This software helps build highly targeted prospect lists. Enrich public profiles, use AI to personalize introductions, and is my #1 choice for workflow. 2, you need an assistant to run the workflow. For this, I'd use Lindy. Lindy helps you draft personalized messages. It follows up automatically. It helps score responses, and it integrates with thousands of apps. 3, I would create a landing page. Use either Card, Notion, or Framer. Here I would include a short introduction, photos, a 2-minute video, your core values, information about your lifestyle, what you're looking for in your ideal partner, the fact that you're looking for a secure attachment style, and a link to apply. Think of it as a dating profile that's far richer than what apps allow. 4, application. Use Typeform or Tally. Ask about things like their relationship goals, their family goals, their religion, what languages they speak, their willingness to relocate, their lifestyle, and any deal breakers. 5, use AI lead scoring. Have AI automatically score applicants. Example, if they want children, maybe that's a +10. If they share the same religion, maybe that's a +10. If they're in your desired age, that's a +8. They're open to relocating, another +8. You guys share hobbies in common, +5. Then AI ranks the applicant before you ever look at them. 6, a calendar booking. I use Calendly. If someone scores high, let them book a call immediately. 7, a CRM. Track everyone inside Airtable or HubSpot. Stages might look like applied, AI approved, video reviewed, first call, first date, second date, relationship.